Can we help you?
You want me to come instead of Dad?
Well, you probably wouldn't have forgotten your spoon.
I go, oh, I got my spoon. He goes, spoon! I forgot my spoon!
Just one spoon?
Yeah. I told him to man up and just dump it in his face.
Tell me, do we get what we deserve? Oh, we get what we deserve. And where down we go, 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 go. Oh, where down we go, 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 go. So where down we go, 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 way down we go. Oh, you let your feet run wild. Time has come as we all go down. Yeah, but for the fall, ooh, my heart, do you dare to look me right in the eyes? Yeah. Oh, 'cause say we run you down, down to the door. Yeah, someday we run you down, down till you fall. And they will run you down, down till you go. Yeah, till you can't grow no more. And where down we go, 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 go. Oh, where down we go, go, go. Say where down we go. Oh, 'cause say we run you down, down to your car, oh, way down we go.
Well, I'll start over. Alright guys, so heading out for our first trip. It's opening weekend. Just about hour 2, hour 1 into our drive. I don't know, I lost track of time. Heading out to our spot, which I'm not going to tell you because it's our spot. You can't have it.
It's east.
East, we're heading east from where we live, which you don't know either, so that works.
Spoiler alert.
Yeah, so stay tuned. Got the pops with us. And yeah. Should be good. I got a good feeling about this trip.
So excited.
Gonna have a full moon this week, so probably be pretty quiet, but maybe we'll get one.
Yeah. Yes. Yeah. Yes. I'd say we are getting.
Good. Yeah. So stay tuned. We'll be back.
Go with confidence.
Stay positive. Stay positive.
Stay positive.
And yeah, keep you updated.
Yeah.
Alright, so we're just about to step off. Got all our gear packed, ready to move out. It's got opening day tomorrow, so we're just gonna hike down and set up camp for the night and hunt uphill tomorrow. It's the first time we've ever been in place before open season opening day, open season opening?
Season opening?
Yeah, something. So we're gonna get that done, and yeah, we'll keep you updated. berry. Oh yeah? Well, if we took this draw straight down, we could hit that road. You know the draw where you saw the elk.
Sounds like a good time. Excuse me.
Tally ho.
Find it.
Well, we're about halfway there. And this country's pretty. Now this is pretty easy, but it's pretty unforgiving at parts. Well, it is elk country, so I'm super excited to be here, and hopefully we can run into some animals. Just trying to keep it updated. All right. See you soon. Come on. So, about 2/3 of the way down. It's ooh, it's a little warm. Brandon is doing sock readjust round 2, so we're gonna hang out here for a minute. But it's beautiful country though, and then that, and then beautiful country again. You can see really far from where we're at. Yeah. It's a good day to be alive. Oh yeah. Promising. It smells like piss. Well, here we are. We made it.
Camp is here. Camp is set.
Yeah, we got some tents set up. Now we decided to try something different this year. Last year we didn't have tents.
Not the whole trip. Anyway.
Not most of the trip. Camped up wherever we stopped, and just slept on an air blow up. Anyway, and slept as we went every night. Pack up in the morning, head out, camp at night. We decided to try things a little bit differently this year. For years before, we did wall tents, hike up, or rather we would set up at the top of the ridge and hike down every morning and hike back up at night. And for years before that, we would hike up at lunchtime, and that was just dumb. So we decided to try and go light, or rather heavier for walking around. But anyway, so we'll see how this works. This is our base camp. Stay tuned for more.
Base Camp 2018.
Yeah.
It's gonna be good.
Good times. So, it's the evening before opening day. Just, supposedly gonna be a full moon, so I won't get too much talking tomorrow, so we're gonna let out some bugles and see if we can't get anything to talk back to us. Yeah, tomorrow's gonna be a good day. Well, threw out some bugles. We didn't hear anything, so we think we might be a little bit too low in the canyon right now. So we're gonna head back to camp and probably bed down for the night. So we'll touch base again tomorrow. Can't wait.
What's up? Okay, so day one is in place. We are officially at camp and loving it, and officially going to bed. So we'll have a pretty good day tomorrow. Should be the first day to see what's actually talking and what's not, and where we're sitting at, and see if there's anything walking around. So we'll be up bright and early in the morning, send out maybe some bugles and see if anything's talking. If not, plan just to hike straight up to an area where we've been to last year that was pretty productive. So that's gonna be the plan, and yeah, we'll see how that works and see where we get to from there. And it's gonna be good, and so far so good. Camp this year is pretty good. We're all set up pretty nice, and we got a spot that's pretty dandy. So anyways, keep you guys posted in the morning.